soldiers, you see, it goes back to what he's talking about, how the education has been changed. The guys that are joining the military, the same as the guys that are joining law enforcement now, they take these oaths, they never study the Constitution, and it's not, they say the words, and we haven't educated them to be taken out of it. When you do a class, become a law enforcement officer, the section on the Constitution is one of the smallest sections in there. It's like a 10-minute course, and that's the problem. They're not educated to understand the oath they're taking and the reality of the oath they're taking.
Yeah, you kind of answered my question while I had my hand raised, because I was going to ask you about the generals, but I think this is also being influenced in the police department, some of the things that I have been seeing.
It's all over. Law enforcement is going to become our biggest problem in this country.
That's right. So what do we do?
Without a shadow of doubt, federal agencies and local
You
agencies.
said before about if you see any of the blue helmets,
Yeah.
you know. It was during the Republican convention in Tampa. They had a UN
That's right.
thing that went on right on the streets of Tampa.
Yeah.
And people, it was so cool, but they didn't realize all the different countries that people were from.
Yeah.
Came out from
17 countries.
Yeah.
You know, you go to foreign countries. I've been pretty much in every country in the world, okay? You got two types of people. Those who hate America and those that want to be in America, okay? I don't have a problem with anybody coming to America to be an American. That's what we're all about. But when you come to this country, you speak English, you learn English, because that's what we have to do when we go to their country. You don't go in any country in the world and, dial 1 for English, dial 2 for Spanish.
Right.
That hurts the shit out of me. I speak Spanish. I like Latino land. It's like the Wild Wild West.
Especially the Fast and Furious.
I get to do what I want to do. As long as I get that little card, it gets me out of jail. But we've got to get our kids back, because if we don't get our kids back, we are going to lose this country. It's plain and simple.
Our biggest mistake historically was so-called free government education.
Please.
That was our biggest mistake.
Public schools.
Exactly.
Anyway, folks, I hope you'll appreciate Gary coming. It's called American Warrior, True Story of a Legendary Ranger. I've read this book twice, my wife's read it several times. Known Gary personally for a long time, and this doesn't even begin to tell you his life story, but it gives you a pretty good override. It's an awesome read. I really recommend you get it. I'm going to ask Gary to pull a lottery ticket out here. A winning one.
Lottery.
Not a lottery, I mean a raffle.